Are you beginner and don't have much money to buy a good car? Go to YouTube and find something code might be useful. You back and find a good but. This video I will help you pick car for you. So if you use every code that available, you will get around 500,000. I not recommend buy 500,000 car, because if you compare 250,000 plus upgrade, it more better performance in 500,000. Start with number 5. I got 3 options for you: Porsche Taycan Turbo S or Taycan Cross Turismo or Audi e-tron GT. All of this car got street engine and brake with a WD, and all of this car is electric, that mean it can't upgrade turbo. So you can save money for next car you want, but because electric you might didn't care about acceleration. Is good enough, but all car got a low top speed compared to other car in this list. Let's see how fast in drag race with stock. Cool, right? In numbers 4 we got Ford Mustang GT500. 205,000 you get street engine and brakes, RWD and yes is stock. First at all top speed is more than all car in numbers 5, isn't bad. Supercharger help acceleration more better, but no fast is taken. You get it stock, mean you can upgrade other like engine. Handling isn't too bad, but this is a Mustang. Let's see how fast in drag race. In number 3 we got Chevrolet Corvette C7 ZR1. I picked this car because it's got highest top speed car in class 2. This car got street engine and brakes, and no turbo or supercharger, with her WD. So this car got higher than many low class 3 car with cheaper price. So if you compare to same top speed like Viper ACR, which has got low handling rate, but rewards are better. But ZR1 can save money to buy upgrades. Good, right? Talk about performance in stock. The acceleration isn't too bad, but not good enough, because this car haven't got any turbo or supercharger. Top speed we talk it a lot, so let's move to handling. It good, but not the best. It feels like you can control it every turn you want, as intended. Half mile with stock again. Is okay. Number 2 is one of the most overrated car that many content creator recommend. That is Porsche 911 992 GT3. Many people like this car, like a ZR1. But this car got less top speed and cheaper than ZR1. Good thing on this car that is acceleration and handling, which is better, with a good looking body. So here is why many player recommend it. Let's see acceleration on this car. Did you like it? So this is number 1 on this list. That is Dodge Challenger Cert Hellcat. So why? If you compare to 911 GT3, this car got worse handling but faster in top speed, cheaper than GT3, and lastly is got supercharger at stock like GT500. That make this car got faster acceleration than GT3. 7.7 rate handling is low, but acceleration helped this car out of turn faster. So what is your best car for 500,000 budget? Comments below. Let's see acceleration on this car. Thanks you. Fast close to electric. So here is my list. What is your list? Comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you again next video.